On a Fanuc control, it's possible to merge an existing program into a program that you've already got. So you can, if you've got a particular program and you just want to join it up with another one or whatever. In this case, I've created a new program and then just merged an old program into that new program. So first of all, obviously you need to be in the edit mode. Press your paste button and then type in the number of the program that you want to merge into your existing program, and then press this SPCPRG button, and then what you'll see is that the whole program will go into there, so it will all exist in that program.